Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good evening. Thank you for logging on. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We have kind of a wild forecast on the way. Showers and storms remain likely through tonight and through tomorrow as the system moves right overhead. Once that passes, some very chilly temperatures arrive for Friday and the breezes continue. It's going to be a pretty cold forecast. You'll see that in the 10-day here coming up in just a second. But future track will show the rain showers continuing, and they kind of consolidate into a little line. And that will slowly work its way from south to north through the overnight hours. Possibly some moderate to heavy showers and a few storms within that line, and on the outskirts just some scattered light activity. And again, this will slowly rise through the overnight hours, that warm front pushing things to the north. So by about 7 a.m., it's pretty much right along Highway 20 from Waterloo to Dubuque. And then as we make our way through the afternoon, some light rain continues in northern Iowa for pretty much the entire day. But notice south of that front, we start to get a little bit of clearing in there. Some very warm temperatures. That's going to destabilize the atmosphere just in time for a cold front to move through, spark off a second round of showers and storms. Now, early on, when those develop right around 7 p.m., some of them could be strong. Some isolated large hail, damaging winds, and an isolated tornado threat in there as well. This will be a very small window for that severe weather, mainly off in the southwest, because as we make our way through about 9-10 p.m., that severe threat is over. Maybe still a few heavier showers and storms, but the cold front will continue to sweep everything out, and by Friday morning, we're going to be done with the rain. Cloud cover may linger at least through the afternoon, and the breezes will pick up from the northwest, bringing in some cool temperatures. Here's a look at those winds as we make our way through tomorrow, east through the overnight hours, and then getting towards that breezy category into the afternoon. Those will be in from the southwest, but then eventually by Friday morning, that's when they shift to the northwest, giving us a much cooler feel to the rest of the forecast. And you can see that in our morning frost and freeze forecast, because as we make our way into Saturday morning, temperatures down into the 20s. A brief warm up by Sunday morning into the low and mid 30s as a wintry mix moves in. Then for the rest of the period, temperatures down into the 20s. In fact, low 20s for Tuesday morning. Going to get pretty cold here in eastern Iowa. As far as tonight goes, lows should be in about the upper 30s in the north to the mid and upper 40s in the south, with that chance for some showers and possibly a storm. And then for tomorrow, as the system moves right overhead, a very widespread in temperatures, highs only in the upper 40s and low 50s north. Meanwhile, we reached about 60 in Waterloo, 65 in Dubuque, and 69 in Cedar Rapids, mid-70s in Iowa City and Washington as the breezes stay pretty strong. And here's your city-by-city forecast. Get rid of that rain on Friday. Still partly sunny skies for Friday afternoon and Saturday. High temperatures only in the low to mid-40s. Here's your 10-day forecast. It gets even worse as we make our way into Sunday and Monday. A chance for a wintry mix and highs by the early portions of next week, only in the mid-30s. Lows down to about 22 on Tuesday morning, and then the rest of the week looking partly cloudy as we work our way back up into the mid-40s.